Guys, right now we're looking at another pie graph. Well, let's take a look and let's figure out, they left this for us to figure out. How would we figure out what percentage Thor had for favorite superhero? Well, we know that the whole pie would be considered 100%. And we know that we could add these up and then what was left would be for Thor. So let's add these up. We have 15, 15, 14, 27, and 6. 15 for Batman, 15 for Superman, 14 for Iron Man, Spider-Man was 27, and the Hulk was 6. So let's add those. We have 5 and 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 7 is 21, plus 6 is 27. We go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, all of these add up to 77. So if we take 100 minus 77, because we know this whole thing is 100% of the pie, what would we get? We have to borrow, because we can't take 7 away from 0. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2. So 23% like Thor. So let's go ahead and answer our question. Which superhero was the most popular? Well, if we took a look, the biggest number is Spider-Man. Who was the least popular? It's pretty easy if we look that the Hulk only had 6%. What percent of people said Thor was their favorite? And we figured that out, 23. What percent of people said either Spider-Man or Superman was their favorite? Well, if we have to have both, we're going to need to add. Spider-Man was 27, plus Superman was 15. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So 42%. Okay. What percentage of people said either Spider-Man or said either, oh, we got that, sorry. Which two superheroes did about half the people say that was their favorite? Well, we're going to need to do some adding or just take a look. If I look, about half my pie right there for two people was Thor and Spider-Man. That's where these pie graphs come in handy. Thor and Spider-Man. Okay, I'm going to have to go down here, so if you need to change anything, just pause. Okay. Now on this one, whoop, I didn't get all my, okay, on this one it says time spent on homework. Well, look, we have these and we don't know what science is, so why don't we go ahead and figure out what percentage science would be. Again, how do we do that? Well, we add all the others. We have 30% reading, 20% math, 15% spelling, 15% English, 12% social studies, and then we don't know what science is. So we can count by fives when we add our fives. 5, 10, 15 plus 2 is 17, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. So then, 6, 7, 8, 9, just making sure. Let's do this again. Do you want to stop?